Hello friends, you are welcome to my studio, my small 500 square foot working space. So please come on.
My artistic journey was started in, actually it was started in Shantiniketan. I was a student of Kala Bhavan, Shantiniketan. There I basically am a urban fellow. I brought up in a metropolis. I had very little relation with nature. That way I brought up. But in my childhood days, I was very fond of cartoon, comic strips, book illustrations, and I was very fond of making shadow puppets and cinematography. But as the days passed by for different reason, I think by destiny, I went to Shantiniketan, and that was a totally a very new exception journey for me. When I came inside a nature, I witnessed a vast nature, the wide open sky, the farmlands, the palm trees long, and this Kopai river, this Khwai, and all other things which I never have experienced. So, and I have passed near about 7 years there. So that was a wonderful journey. At the same time, when I saw this nature, when I witnessed, and it was my favorite thing that time, that I had a cycle, and with the cycle I used to move around the nature in the villages, Santhal villages. It was a very favorite spot for me to study animals and the life of the Santals. Especially, I don't know, for some reason, I am always very fond of to draw animals. The dogs, buffaloes, ducks, hens, cocks, and all other things. So, and donkeys. There are plenty of donkeys there that time in Shantiniketan. That time when I was a student, it was our faculties. It was just a galaxy of Indian art. Kaviji Subramaniam was there, Sarbari Rai Chaudhuri, Somnathur, Shanotkar. I get all great people, great artists of in the history of Indian art. They were there as our teacher, and often we had visiting artists like Tayyab Mehta and Sudhir Patwardhan. I just remember them, and above all K.G. Subramanian, Jogen Chaudhary. They all were there.
I made a series of portraits with some famous personalities who were related with Shantiniketan. Actually, it was made. I made near about 30 portraits, 30 portraits in lino cut, with personalities who worked and contributed Shantiniketan in a different way. I made these for a book written by Professor Somendranath Bandyopadhyay. It's for a book, and these portraits were printed there, a series of lino cut printings. So that gave me an immense pleasure to reinterpret the photographs in lino cut. So, and it's a great journey for me.
Later days, when I joined, after passing out, I joined in Lalit Kala Academy of Kolkata, and that was also a very interesting part because there a group of very creative young printmakers. I was, by the way, I have to tell that I was taught in a printmaking department. My favorite medium was etching and lithography, so I worked with these mediums. And in Lalit Kala Academy, that was another journey. I started to see the Calcutta in a very different way. It was a time of my struggling. Calcutta was a friend of mine. He was my companion. I grew up with its everything, with the processions, with the political unrest, with exhibitions, with lot of seminars and all other things, and debates, discourses with my fellow artists, and all these things has helped me a lot.
Last 10 years, I have developed a new medium that is called paper construction. Paper construction is a very it's a combination of print, old prints, and those are used prints, photographs, drawings, painted things. And I often use it. It's almost like a relief sculpture. It's embossed, and somehow the three-dimensionality. I mean, it's a very pictorially, but I am using the three-dimensional things here. So all these things are combined. I think it's very suitable for my nature, as I have told that I am interested in lot of things, and there is always I try to follow a narration. Suppose someone is installing the Shahid Minar of Calcutta on Mumbai sea beach. I mean, there are different things of the Mumbai as I have seen the city, and different characters of Kolkata are assembled here. So there is a narration. As I have told, I was very interested once upon a time. I was very interested in comic strips and graphic novels. So some effects of that also came. Some paints, some collagraph, prints. It's a combination of lot of things, and that sometimes I think it's very goes with my nature.
I had a personally, I used to call myself as a jack of all trades, because I have interests in lot of things, and I always try to practice them. I paint on canvas, I paint on board drawing. I am a printmaker, and so I make engravings, I make lino cards, etching. At the same time, I am very fond of making book illustrations. I love to make collages. So the different with the different mediums I used to work, and side by side sometimes I also write poetry and short stories. So this is a very interesting journey for me for last few years, and I do all kind of things. I don't know how much I can achieve, but that is not a very important thing for me, because achievement is okay, but the most important thing for me is the journey and how much I can cope up with my time, my period, the time I am living in. That is very important for me.